Hi, how are you? In this video we will talk about menu and anchor menu in this video. Okay, so let me delete the menu from here because this menu is already added, so we will add the menu again here. Okay, so let me go to add element and then I need to go here menu and anchor, and then I can see here themed menu. It's mean those menu font and the color matching with our theme color, like as when we are starting to create a website, then we set here first the colors and we set here the text, the font family and the font color as well. So here that you can see under the menu and anchor, we can see here the themed menu. It's mean those menus color and font match by theme. And then if you like, you can use any of them. So I like the first one. Just drag and drop it on our website header part, and then we can adjust it manually. Let me make it something smaller, and then let me align it from the top and bottom and left and right. I can just adjust it manually as well. Okay, let me just click publish now, and then let's see here have a, don't show it again, this is the themed menu. If now I will go to visit site, I can see those pages have on my website, they are already shown here. Okay, if you don't want to show any of them on your website menu, then you can just simply make it hide from menu. The page will be stay here, but it will not display on the menu of the website. So you can see here now, here have 5 menu item, but when I made it hide, then it will be hide as well. Let me make it publish, and then if I now reload here, then I can see here one menu will be hide. Okay, so let me make it show it menu again, and then we can see next have our horizontal menu. Horizontal menu means look like that way menu but different design. If you need vertical menus like as top to bottom, they will be display look like that way. So I will bring it here, and then I will make it pin to screen. I will make it look like that way, vertical space, I can put space there, so no space. Horizontal offset, I can give here 10 pixel, and then I just need to make it show on all page. It's mean if I will go on the about page, then the menu will be display here. If I move any of the page, the menu will be here like as a sticky. Okay, so let me just click publish here, and let me reload our live website. Let me give a hard refresh there, I can't see it. Okay, let me make it publish again, and then now if I will give a reload here, let me give a hard refresh, Control Shift and R together, it's not coming somehow. Let me check again. Okay, everything is fine. I don't know why it's not showing. Let's see again. View site. Okay, we can see here. Let me reload the previous one as well. Okay, so if it will not take the save or publish, then we need to wait a few seconds and then we need to give a hard refresh there, then it will be display here. Okay, you can see the same menu we got on the left. If I click about from here, I can see it's available on all pages. If you want, you can fix the menu look like that way with horizontal menu, vertical menu, I'm sorry. Okay, and then we can see here Hamburger menus. So let me just click Hamburger menu and let me take this design here and let me put it right side of the screen, and I will make it a pin to screen and very top right corner. Let me make it look like that way. Let me give 5 pixel and from the top 5 pixel, and let me make it visible on all pages, so it will be available on every page. Let me just give a publish there and let me refresh the website. Okay, you can see here is the menu that display here, so we can put it on the left. Okay, if you want, you can keep it here. If I will open the layout here, have if you want to put only icon or text only, you can give it there. If I will click edit menu, then here have a light box for the Hamburger menu. If I want, I can move it to full screen. I can make it the custom, and now it is on the left. I can move it to right, and let me make it something smaller. Let me bring it here under the container, and this one as well, and I will make it smaller. Here have the cross icon. I need to bring it here as well, and then let me make it smaller. Okay, and give a publish there. I can adjust the font size and everything. Whatever I want to do, I can do here. Let me make the font size something smaller, like is 40 pixel. Okay, it's look good. Let me give a publish there, and now if I will reload it on my live website, and then I can see the changes. Okay, the menu is a pop-up. If you want, you can give a animation there. I will show it later. You can give a animation from here, like yes, it will display look like that way. Okay, you can use animation if you want, and then so let's make it exist, the lightbox things. If you don't find it from here, you can see it under the lightbox here. This is our subscriber thing. So if you want to find the menu, you need to go here, the icon Hamburger menu. You just need to click edit menu, then it will open. If you want, you can put another information as well here, like as if you want to put an image there, then you can drag and drop a image over the hamburger menu open mode. Okay, that's it. And then if I can see here under the menu and anchor, I can see here we have seen hamburger menus already, and now this is the anchor part. I will make another video for the anchor part. So that's it for the Wix menu. You can add themed menu, horizontal menu, vertical menu, or hamburger menu. So we can add 3 kind of menu on Wix. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you so much.